All right, what's up, everybody? So I'm gonna go straight into the video now. What I'm gonna do, just so you guys know what to expect, is I'm gonna go over the structure or a template on what you want to think about when you're making your ads. And I'm also gonna give this away for free, so just click that link in the description box below to get access to it, so you can refer to. And then I'm gonna show you basically two examples of one I use for a real estate client and one I use for myself. And then I'm also going to show you how to, if you really don't know where to start, how you can look up your competitors or people in your industry doing ads and kind of model their ads, and you can literally get their exact ad structure and copy and paste and just plug in your information. So let's get into the video. All right, so first thing, when you're making an ad, you want to have a hook that grabs their attention. You want to call out your audience. You can call out your audience, give them a statistic, ask a question, kind of like creative writing 101. You want to identify their problem. So ask them if they're tired of doing this. You kind of want to sound like an infomercial. You know, are you a single parent? But you want to make it more conversational and not sound as like you're trying to sell them something. You want to give them the obvious solution or offer. So tell them how they can solve this problem, or explain how your offer can fix or solve the problem, or just give out the offer and make it very enticing. The more valuable the offer is, and the more you're focused on giving value, the better the results you will have. Give them a call to action. So for instance, click learn more to get this, and let them know what they're getting. And then you want to add urgency and some flair / emoji. So, you know, add a sense of urgency. So, hey, I'm only doing this for the first 10 people that clicks learn more or that book me now. But please be honest and ethical about it. So don't say, hey, I only have about 10 supplies. I have about only 10 supplies left when you really have 20. So be honest about it. So again, just to recap, you want to hook that grabs their attention, identify their problem, give them an obvious solution to offer, and a call to action, and add urgency and flair. All right, so now I'm about to go into some examples. So here's an example from a real estate agent ad that I ran, copy that I ran for a real estate agent. This actually got 18 leads in the first 7 days, which is pretty impressive, and she paid $2 per lead, so it's pretty cool, and I was really excited about this. So attention home buyers, shouted out the audience. Now, real estate is tricky. Necessarily, you don't always want to. You obviously want to try different structures, and obviously, my template I use is not a structure you want to use for every ad. But as you can see, she added some imagery. She added flair. This is a flair ad because she's trying to get a listing out there. So she just and I'll shout out the features: catwalk overlooking 2-story, great room, and then plus tons more. And then this is a must see. And she said, click to learn more for pictures. Now, this doesn't follow the structure, but I thought I'd add that in there because it did work. And I want to prove to you that you want to test different methods. But as you can see, mostly likely every ad is going to have at least one of those aspects that I mentioned. And then here's one that I use personally to get real estate agents that I can work for. Attention all realtors. I shout out to real estate agents. Do you want Facebook ads but just don't know how to get started? Pointed out the pain point. Luckily for you, I wrote a free 15-page ebook on how to create and run Facebook ads. The solution / offer in this ebook is tailored. I kind of do more like just selling it and building up the offer. Then click to learn more to get instant access to the offer. So as you can see, that's how I did it. Now I'm gonna show you guys. Say for instance that you're wanting to start doing creating ad copy, but you don't really have the time to get creative or really sit down and do it, and you don't want to waste your time. You want to really know what works. So the same way I got this ad copy, Facebook has a tool called Facebook Ads Library. So all you have to do is type in Facebook Ad Library, and scroll down, skip all the ads that they give you, and just click on Facebook Ad Library. And basically any page that you type in, you can basically see the ads that they're running or ran in the past, and look at their ad copy and the overall structure on how they ran an ad. So for instance, you can type in real estate, and then all like ads, all pages that kind of correlate real estate, their ads will pop up. This is really cool for getting a good idea of what kind of ads you want to run. All right, now I already kind of did some pre-planning, and I kind of showed up other pages. So here's a chiropractor page that I kind of pulled up, and as you can see here, they have they shout out the area. They kind of follow the same structure to give out their offer, and then they go kind of more in detail with their ad, and then they do their call to action and whatnot. And here's the thing: how you really want to. This is how you know when an ad works, and it's how you know. I'm not the one who does this. More people do it. So this is a completely different chiropractor in a completely different area, right? Now here's another chiropractor. They use the same exact ad copy. The same exact ad copy. So this is how you, if someone else is doing it, 9 times out of 10 they have a marketer like me that are running the ads for them, and they're kind of just plugging and play and using this ad copy for them. So you can really take advantage of this and see what other people are doing in your industry and just plug and play. Don't copy verbatim, but just kind of get a good model and structure, which you see they plugged and play, and it works, you know. And so that's a really good idea to do. And here's actually where I got that last ad copy I showed you. Attention home buyers, just listed, and I kind of show you the overall structure. And here's another example of this one actually using the exact, not exact, but kind of the exact template I show you guys. Attention Cincinnati, shouting them out. Tired of paying though overpriced, pain point. I put together a free list of hot homes, you know, adding a little flavor and kind of telling what they do. I really like this because it's super creative, so I like the way they did it. These homes are the most desirable neighborhoods around town. Just adding more, and even kind of putting down Zillow and Trillia, and then click to learn more. So yeah, guys, that's overall. This really works. I'm gonna put that in the description box below so you guys know where to find this at. But yes, if you guys didn't know about this, or you actually like helped you solve this problem or figure out how you can run these ads, then please leave a comment section below. And if there's anything else you guys want to know about running Facebook ads, then also just talk to me in the comment section. Again, my name is Brandon Mullins, and please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.